CompTIA A plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.5. Compare and contrast common networking hardware devices. Patch Panel. This video segment will cover an unsung hero in the networking world, the patch panel. A patch panel is a device containing ports used to manage and organize cable connections. It is a central location in a building's network system where all the network cables converge. It's typically a flat panel with numerous ports where network cables are plugged in. These panels provide a convenient and organized way of managing cable connections from different rooms or areas in a building in order to provide a connection to network devices like switches and routers. So, how does a patch panel function? Think of it as a switchboard operator. When a network cable from a computer or another device is connected to the panel, it doesn't directly communicate with other devices. Instead, it connects to another port that leads to a network switch or router. This setup allows for easy management of cable connections. If a device needs to be moved or connected to a different network segment, it's simply a matter of changing the patch cable connections at the panel rather than rerunning the entire cable. In the realm of networking, a patch panel is a key component in ensuring both organization and flexibility. Commonly found in server rooms or network closets, its primary role is to centralize all network cables from various endpoints into a single manageable location. This centralization simplifies many aspects of network management. Firstly, it streamlines the troubleshooting process. With all cables leading to one point, identifying and resolving issues becomes much easier and quicker, as there's no need to trace individual cables through complex and often inaccessible routes. Secondly, when it comes to network maintenance or reconfiguration, a patch panel is invaluable. Adjustments, whether adding new devices or changing network layouts, can be done efficiently at the panel, without the need to disturb the entire cable setup. Moreover, a patch panel helps in protecting the network's physical integrity. By reducing the frequency of handling the actual network cables and devices, wear and tear are minimized. This leads to a more stable and durable network setup, enhancing overall network performance and longevity. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.